Clarification? Do you have any question?
Right. Let them appear.
Bueno,
They can appear in your offices.
I want to thank the State Council. I think you went to a different school of thought from... Hello, am I being heard?
Yes. The proceedings and rulings, each of the I have also considered the rejoinder that has been issued by the Defense Council, and I have found no evidence presented before the court to suggest that the accused person have at any time attempted to interfere with the witnesses during the investigations of this matter, and therefore that application is declined. The prosecution is also directed to issue all witness statements and exhibit to each accused person, and the matter shall be fixed for pre-trial and reallocation on the 11th of September 2020 before this court. Those are the orders of the court. The court has also taken into account Mr. Karuri's submissions on the seriousness of the offence and the nature of the sentence to the court. Should the accused person be found guilty of the offences they are facing, the court has therefore put all these relevant factors into consideration and finds the following bond terms not reasonable. Each accused person shall be released on bond of 20 million shillings with one surety of like amount or cash bail of 10 million shillings. Bond of